Hi everyone, my Felicity Jane came in and I'm so excited to open this. Let's see what we get for this month. Woohoo! Let's take the book box aside. Let's see. Oops, sorry Dory. Sorry Dory. Bussie's in here. That's him snoring. He is tired. Okay, let's see what we get. Woohoo! It says hip hip hooray. There's a message. Ooh. That's awesome. Okay, let's see. We got a stamp set. It says, hello, it's your day. Someone special. Happy birthday. Love this. I love the font. I love the writing. Because some people's writing is really, like, not that great. There's always something for somebody, though, right? So, there's some fonts that I just don't care for. But their font is always, like, spot on. I love their writing. So this is called Fringe. Jenny Cardstock Fringe. Oh, so it's one whole piece. Oh, nice. So it's one whole piece of fringe. But you can cut it into strips or use it as a whole. I don't see why you would use it as a whole though, because that's just too precious to use as a whole. I'm a hoarder when it comes to this. I'm like, okay, not a hoarder as much as keeping it, but more of, you know, like utilizing every little piece of it. So like extending it, not a hoarder, so extending the pieces out. So this is the, what is this, die cut shapes. So it's like a balloon. It's a birthday theme because it's their birthday month or month. Birthday month, but I think it's their like 5th year or something. I don't remember what they said. I think 5. It's in my head, but who knows. And then we have the puffy alphabet, which is amazing. Look at that. Numbers. They finally have numbers. The numbers are phenomenal. And the cards. Oh, I love that. That's awesome. Okay, and then we have, the 3x4 cards. So let me see. It says celebrate. These are only single-sided, so there's nothing on the back except for like dots. A little speech bubble. This has three areas you can write in. A little area. Oh, look at the birthday cake, and you can totally fussy cut that out with no problem. It's Dory's, my puppy's birthday month on the 20th. So she'll have a birthday party. Happy. So you can take a gel pen and circle it with different colored gel pens if you wanted. The strawberries. Love the stars. I love how all their kits, you can coordinate and mix and match all their kits because it's all perfect. Chipboard stars. Chipboard stars. Look at that. This bus. Pretty. And then, oh, I love tiny word letters. So these are tiny word stickers. Word stickers. Birthday. So remember, it's a birthday theme. So it has all the little sentiments for that. Perfect. Oh, and I love these things. Are like my favorite of what they do. The puffy stickers, but they're the big kind, and they're just perfect. I can't get enough of this one. I think they had some surprises they said that were going to happen. Hopefully there's going to be some major sales because I need to buy some stuff, and I don't buy anything full price, so I have to wait until then. Oh, what is this? Oh, this must be I think we were supposed to get something for free because of their birthday sale up to 70% off August. Ooh, see? Look at that, you guys. Okay, I'm totally going to be shopping on the 22nd. Yes! Awesome. Oh, look at this. This is a like a decal. There you go, decal. I think we got this for free. I think this is because we're a subscriber and it's their birthday month. I think I read that. So that's awesome. I think this is what they call a B6 traveler's notebook. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. And I think they have traveler notebook. Their Theirs and Echo Park are my favorite traveler notebook inserts. They are my favorite. Felicity Jane and Echo Park. They have the best paper. They really do. I can't get enough of that. So that was cool. We get that for free for the birthday. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. So, and then let's see. We got the 6x6 papers. These are always double-sided. Wait, this first time getting 6x6, right? Yeah, no, this is the first time getting 6x6 because I think we get 4x6 and 3x4s, right? Yeah. So, wow. So but that came with the TN book, right? So that's awesome. So I totally scored. That's awesome. Yep. Love that. Love, love, love that. I love this. This is just amazing. Oh, thank you for that gift. I think it's awesome. Okay, so this, oh, I almost didn't see this. That's why it's like you have to go through all the little fluff things because I almost lost this. Little sequins. It's got flowers, but it also has regular sequins. That's cool. And then look at the papers. I don't have to open it because it's all right here. Got the flowers. Oh gosh, I just love this so much. Yeah, every month I love getting this in the mail. I really do. Look at all you got. That's pretty awesome. So, in Felicity Jane, I believe is 45, between $40 and $45. So that is how much their monthly kit is. Okay guys, we'll see you all next month. Bye.